Good morning, my dear students. Today we are starting our revision of Chapter 1 Rise and Spread of Christianity. We will see the important points which we already saw and studied, and we will try to complete our exercise part 2. In this entire book, we are going to study about the medieval period, that is, the period between ancient and modern periods. In your 6th class, you learned about the ancient India. There you learned about the river valley civilizations. Here we are learning about the medieval period of India. Many of our religions, our language, our social tradition, administrative systems and all can be traced from the medieval period. During this time, trade was there, and it was between Europe and with West and Central Asia. But both these interactions was influenced by two religions, the Christianity and Islam. India's interaction with Europe was influenced by Christianity, and India's interaction with the West and Central Asia was influenced by Islam. That is the reason why we learn about these two religions at various point of time. Societies in different parts of the world suffered a lot. That was because of injustice, disorder, and lack of proper administration. During that time, the people was highly against this kind of injustice, and they were waiting to get relief from all these administrative and social problems. At such times, great individuals have come forward to restore order, resulting in the birth of new forms of religion. During that time, some individuals came up with the idea of equality and a proper administration, which helped the common individual to solve their problems, and also that lead to a new community, or that resulted in the birth of new religions. Among such great individuals are Confucius, Zoroaster, Gautam Buddha, Vardhamana Mahavira, Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, and Guru Nanak. These names are very important, so you should learn these names. They chose various paths, but their goals were the same, namely to overcome widespread social misery and inequalities. So there can be a question: what was the real goal of such new religions? Then you can find the answer here. They chose various paths, but their goals were the same, namely to overcome widespread social misery and inequalities. It is interesting that their teachings were based on similar tenets, such as the establishment of peace and harmony based on the principles of cooperation and non-violence, the promotion of love, equality, and tolerance, the establishment of a moral code of conduct based on truthfulness, honesty, and restraint in everyday life. An important part of their teachings was do not lie, do not steal, do not covet. The responsibility of the powerful and the rich to give alms and to take care of the poor and the less fortunate in society. Compassion for all, including one's enemies. So here, from this introductory part, we can face two questions. The one question is, who all were the new individuals who came forward to restore order and resulting in the birth of new forms of religions? The answer is Confucius, Zoroaster, Gautam Buddha, Vardhamana Mahavira, Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, and Guru Nanak. The second question which can be arised from this part is, what was the real goal of these new religions? The answer is, they chose various paths, but their goals were the same, namely to overcome widespread social misery and inequalities. The third question that we can make from this part is, what all are the interesting factors of their teachings which was on similar tenets? For that, we got 5 points here. The establishment of peace and harmony based on principles of cooperation and non-violence, promotion of love, equality, and tolerance, the establishment of a moral code of conduct based on truthfulness, honesty, and restraint in everyday life. An important part of their teachings was do not lie, do not steal, and do not covet. The responsibility of the powerful and the rich is to give alarm and to take care of the poor and the less fortunate in society. Compassion for all, including one's enemy. So, this is the answer for that question. So, dear students, learn these 3 questions and answers. The rest of the chapter about the Christianity, its rise and spread, we will learn in the next class. Thank you.